Merhaba arkadaşlar. It's been a very long time since I haven't seen you, heard about you. I don't know what you guys have been doing during the summer. I wish you were here in the school. I am in my classroom. This is your classroom, you guys, if you miss. So you see, that's our classroom, but it's all empty. So we are all by ourselves. So hopefully this pandemic is gonna be over soon and we will be seeing all of you guys again. Okay, so I was actually expecting you guys to be in my class today. As you know, our Turkish 2 class, you guys in my Turkish 2 class, and you should be in my class between every day between 10 to 10 to 10:30, actually, not 11:30. There is a mistake over here, so I'm gonna just quickly change that. So 10 to 10:30. Okay, so every day you guys are gonna be in my Zoom meeting between 10 to 10:30. You should be receiving a schedule like that. For example, what I'm seeing, you guys are all 9th graders, so at 9 a.m. you should have either living environment or applied algebra. In second period, which is 9:30 to 10, you should have either algebra or chemistry. And at and then like at 10 to 10:30 you should all have world language. If you are taking Spanish, if your classmates were taking Spanish, you should be taking Spanish. Or if you are taking Turkish, since you should be in my class right now, you should be in this class between 10 to 10:30. So please, I already put this on my Google Classroom. I already invited you guys all, so I see all of you guys basically accepted this. You see, I can see it right here. That means you all accepted it, and that means you all are seeing what I am writing here. So please, tomorrow, since right now it's 10:12 right now, so I'm going to be jumping to my other class, which is 10:30 to 11. So that's my Turkish 1 class. So please don't be late, be on time. I know that some of you guys were in class in like either living environment or algebra, or if you are taking applied algebra or chemistry in your first and second period. So right after that, in your third period, basically you guys should be in my class. Okay, so what I was gonna say is that, by the way, this is my Zoom meeting. Just click on it, and this is my meeting ID, and my passcode is just very simple, 1234. Okay, so right after this, what I did today is that I already assigned you your first assignment, which is a very simple task. All you have to do is click on your assignment, which is your Turkish 2 syllabus. You see right here, you guys can see the syllabus here. That's what I was actually gonna do. I was gonna just like go over it and like, oh, you see, like one of you guys already turned in. Who is that? Janelle, for example. You see, even though she's not in my class, she should have been in my class in the Zoom meeting, but she is not, so she basically just turned it in. So you just need to, after reading this, just read this, just follow this form right here, Turkish 2 syllabus acknowledge form. You guys should be writing something. Okay, your answer should be here. Please read and submit this form to acknowledge that you have read, understood, and accept the rules and expectations of Turkish 2 syllabus. Okay, so of course, where's the Turkish syllabus again? It's right here in your classwork. Okay, so this is it. I will see all of you guys tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, so please don't be late. I'm waiting all of you guys at 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so don't forget that 10 a.m. just click on this and you should be in my class. All right, I'll post this video on this Google Classroom, so everybody will be on the same page. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.